How do I update my Volkswagen navigation? To update the navigation system in your Volkswagen, you can follow these steps. 1. Determine the current version of your navigation system by navigating to the System Information screen in the navigation system. 2. Purchase the latest map update from the Volkswagen navigation website or a local Volkswagen dealership. 3. Prepare a USB drive with at least 32 GB of storage capacity and format it to the FAT32 file system. 4. Download the software update tool from the Volkswagen navigation website. 5. Install the software update tool on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. 6. Connect the USB drive to your computer's USB port. 7. Start your vehicle and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. 8. Launch the update software tool on your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to start the update process. 9. Wait for the update process to complete, which may take several hours, depending on the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection. 10. Once the update is complete, safely remove the USB drive from your computer. 11. Start your vehicle and check the navigation system to ensure that the update was successful. 12. Navigate to the System Information screen and confirm that the software and map data version numbers have been updated. 13. It is recommended to keep your vehicle connected to a power source throughout the update process to avoid any interruptions. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.